Hey everyone, this is Oscar here once again with Life After Deportation, and today's, guys, I'm actually gonna take you guys along with me today. My day, I actually got a new job, a new beginning, a new head start, and then after work, since I get off from work early, I'm gonna take my boys out to little something. I don't know, I gotta do something with them. But actually, look at that, it's 4:24 in the morning. I'm making me some papas and some eggs right now, so I'm gonna be working with that. So follow me along, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, let's go. All right, so water's out again, so I gotta teach these little boys how to flush their toilet, right? So we're gonna go ahead and take this little reservoir off right here, and you guys gonna pour the water in there, all right? But whenever there's no water in our colonia, so I try to save as much as, water everywhere so we can flush the toilets. You know what I mean?
I'm pouring it.
Go ahead, pour it, boy. All of it, boy. All of it. All of it, boy. Don't be scared, boy.
I'm gonna put it inside that hole.
No, you better not. You got it? Your hands hurt? Oh, look at your little hands shaking. Oh, they're shaking like a little old man.
Oh no, when it's starting.
All right, then we flush it. Keep going. All right, now you, boy, pour the rest of it in there, boy. Yeah, boy.
Remember, put it inside the tube.
I can't open it.
Oh, weak sauce.
Jeremiah.
No.
Go. No, not in the hole. Inside the tank. Come on, boy.
You never watched people do this?
There you go. Take your time, little boy.
You didn't say that to me. He said hurry up.
Hurry up, boy. Look at that thing has a little bit of soap left in it, so we can clean it and flush the toilet at the same time. We kill two birds with one stone. Okay, that's enough. Thank you, senor. That's how we do things in Mexico when there's no water, because the government doesn't care about us. So we had to, do these things that are third world country stuff because there's no water. And they don't tell us about the shoutouts, which is pretty stupid, to be honest with you. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, I got kids behind me listening to me. Long story short, it ain't right. Okay, now this is gonna be my bucket for water. Hold this camera for me, boy. This is another big reservoir of water that we have. Put it down, boy. And this is how we're gonna wash our little manitas in our face, in our teeth.
Your hands are shaking.
This is how we're gonna brush our... Hands are not shaking. My hands were solid. They're steady. You hear me? Steady. Like a man. Let me give you a lesson. Touch this. Touch this. Touch this. You didn't catch that. Alright, so now I'm gonna wash my hands, alright? So give me that. Okay, so I think the water's coming back. Water, water, please come back. Water, water, please come back.
I'm gonna go put my shoes on.
No, hold on. We gotta make a final decision.
Okay.
Alright, so come on, Zach, get over here. Okay, so we have three options. Either we go to the park, or we can go to the running park where we can just run or walk. Or we could go walk at the beach.
Walk on the beach.
Walk on the beach?
Park.
The park.
Walk on the beach.
Walk up the beach.
Walk on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the beach. We need some sunblock. Okay, let's get some sunscreen.
No, I'm gonna get a tan and get sunburn.
Okay, got it. Alright, let's go then. Alright, so we made it to the Cerrito Beach. Boys right here, my baby boy. Let's go. Alright, and as you already know, my wifey, she's out there working, so she can come with us today. Oh, we got little Daisy too.
Got our Doberman.
And walk straight. Straight.
But I know coconuts that have like meat. It's not like a type of meat. It's like the coconut meat. Like
Yeah, the flesh.
Yeah, the flesh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells like beef.
Oh, damn, look at that. That thing's very, very close.
That's like really far.
That's how you reserve a parking spot.
Daisy, you better
You know what I did forget? I forgot my chanclas.
What? I told you.
Yeah.
Damn, that thing is so close.
It's really far.
Because we're walking with my sunglasses.
That's fine. All right, who's gonna pick the spot? You guys want to go over there by the rocks? Or do you guys want to go right here with the sand?
By the rocks.
By the rocks it is. Let's go by the rocks.
Something right here.
Okay. Look how close that shore is. We got to kick it here by the rocks.
Like it's right here.
Where do you want it at?
Right here.
All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna go in to chill right here, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You want a slice?
Yeah. Dad, I think I know why it looks so close.
It's good. Come on, try.
I'm gonna take a white soon.
It does, huh?
Dad, you wanna know how to tell?
So this guy say he's missing salt on his pizza, so we're gonna go get some salt over there. Come on, boy, that's not very smart. Look at that. Oh, I got my feet wet now. Ah, I got my shoes wet.
Dad,
What?
just take off your shoes and socks. Put in your backpack.
Well, the water's really, really cold, so they can't get in. Well, how's the water? Cold?
Oh, I'm sacrificing Isaiah. Sacrifice baby. No. He's not sacrificing. Daddy, I'm gonna get that seagull.
Go, so we'll cook it.
By the way, where am I?
So the wave made it way over here, so we had to scoot back our stuff.
Hey, can we go back there?
Little, just a few feet. Way over there? Nah, that's too much. But yeah, look at that. That thing's getting closer and closer. Hey, go get your feet wet. Go get your feet wet.
No point. Danger, honestly,
Don't touch that. It might be contaminated.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Dad, we can't keep that sea still.
Yeah, you can. Yeah?
I clean it. $116. I'm gonna put it back where it's supposed to be. Look away!
That's a cute husky.
He's not cute. He's wild.
It's a wild husky.
Get a little husky now.
Hey, well, you better hold your dog. What kind of caveman markings are those?
Ow. Yeah.
Money, 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 money.
Can I use your towel cleaner?
All right, so we're gonna go and color wrap. It's already getting kind of late and it's getting really cold. Right, they're just shivering. Daisy's shivering too. This boy's hella hungry. This boy right there, that yellow boy right there, he wants to go to Walmart. And I just want to go home, so we're just gonna go home now. All right, guys, so let's go. Say bye.
Bye.
So exciting. Dirt, sand, I mean. Yeah, no sand. On the beach.
How are your shoes?
Wet. Wet, but it's all good. No, thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
Okay.
Are you guys ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll.
Let's go then.
The suppression, the use of marijuana.